Assalamu alaikum everyone. Wow, what is this? It is a beautiful rainbow. Rainbow has 7 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Rainbow starts with letter R. The letter is R and the sound is R. Rainbow. To write capital R, come down, down, down. One curve and diagonal down. To write small r, come down, go up, little bumpty and a kick. How do we write small r? Come down, go up, little bumpty and a kick. Remember, the letter is R and the sound is R. Now let's read our reader. Rainbow, rose, rabbit, rat, rain, robot. Now tell me, how many colors are there in a rainbow? 6, 5 or 7? There are 7 colors in a rainbow. And one more time, look, how do we write R? Come down, 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 curve and diagonal down. To write small r, come down, go up, little bumpty and a kick. Allah Hafiz.